So today, we will parse JSON. With AJAX, the browser sends out the request to the web server, and the web server sends the response. The response is just a plain text, even though the server sent back information that look like HTML, XML, or JSON. To a web browser, those responses are just string of characters. In order to use JSON data, we need to take the string and convert it into JavaScript. This is a process known as parsing. It is really easy to do using a single command. If you want to follow along with me, open the folder Employee Status. Open index.html, and to check the preview, right-click and click Open with Live Server. Then open script.js. Create an XML HTTP request object. So create a variable XSR and assign them to new XML HTTP request. Then add XSR.onReadyStateChange, add the callback function and if statement. Inside the condition, add XSR.readyState equals 4. Then add XSR.open. Use the get method. The JSON data is under the data folder. So add data/data.json. Finally, add XSR.send. Now, inside the if statement, let's log response text. So add console.log XSR.response text. Check the preview. Even though it looks like a JavaScript, it is not. To confirm, you can add type of in the beginning of response text. Check the preview. Now it shows string. Now we need to turn this string into real JavaScript. So create a new variable data and use JSON.parse XSR.responseText. This will help to turn the string into JavaScript. Then let's log data. So add console.log data. Check the preview. And now it is a JavaScript object. To confirm, add type of data. And now it shows the object grid. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll process JSON data. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.